Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Let's get some fuel in her and let's see if we can get it to fire. No exhaust at the moment. I'm just nipped out here quickly, a bit early on in the evening, while I can make some noise, because normally when I film this stuff it's a bit too late to make noise. So no exhaust on it. I put a bit of oil in the oil tank because if it does light up, it'd be good to see if it starts pumping and to see if we've got an oil pump or an oil system that works. So I do always put a bit of oil in them when I like this. That one is mega empty. Always weird when I saw like this it was completely empty. Why was it completely empty? It was almost like it was just put away and then never touched again for a long period of time. So who knows? So anyway, bone dry. The tank was bone dry, so she's going to take a few pulls. I wonder actually if we can just prime it with that off. Oh, she has got some compression. Ooh, right, let's move you, see if we can get this fired up. This is exciting. Oh, so got my ears on because she's gonna be loud. No exhaust. Well, hopefully she's gonna be loud anyway. There is some compression there. Okay, that's enough sort of priming. Let's see what we can do. Choke on. Let's just see what happens. Remember, it was bone dry, so it's going to take a while to pump the fuel through. If the carb is pumping fuel. The diaphragm looked okay, so we'll see. Come on, little 268. Come on, give us a pop. Yeah, this recoil's a bit odd, guys. Whoa, this isn't looking promising, is it? Let me put it on the floor, see what we can do. Can I point you down there? See, this is genuine first start stuff, isn't it? Can you see anything? Maybe. Let's see. See what we can do. Come on, little saw. Nothing. Not even a pop. Nothing there. Okay. New plan. Let me pause you. Okay, so old trick. Just to see where we are. I'm just going to drop a little bit of... Whoa! I'm just going to drop a little bit of fuel down the throat of the carb. Because then at least we should get a start. It might still be drawing fuel through, but it's difficult to know, isn't it? So just going to put a tiny drop of fuel or two into the throat. There we go. A bit too much, but never mind. Right, let's see if that does anything now. Can I just point you this way? I wonder if I point you this way. A bit rough and ready, I know, sorry. But let's just point you this way and see what happens with that down there. Oh, that was a sort of fire, wasn't it? Let's try again. Nope. Well, it kind of fired, didn't it? Kind of fired and kind of didn't. Let me just try something a minute. This is a bit of a long shot, guys, but I did notice when I was just doing the spark testing the other day that, as you know, I'm normally an NGK man. And when I was doing the spark testing, the only plug I had left, I need to order some new NGKs, was an Oregon plug. And the spark just didn't seem as good with the Oregon plug as it was with the original thing, which looks wrecked. But it, you know, the original one had a better looking spark. So let's try that. Put the ears back on just in case. Let's see. Okay. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? The brand new Oregon plug. Brand new Oregon plug that I had didn't work. Maybe it's the wrong plug. Maybe it needs a resistor or something. So, let's put a bit more down the throat and see if we can get it to go. Come on, my beauty. Sounded good when it went, didn't it? Okay, so is that carb just not pumping, or is oh, that was a bit much. Is that carb just not pumping, or have we got another problem? Let's see. Tip a bit of that out. Actually, probably flooded now, isn't it? Okay. Well, I think I'm going to leave that there actually, just for a minute. So that was genuinely the first fire. She has fired. She is warm, but now I've flooded it, haven't I, by tipping too much petrol in there. So I'm going to give it a bit more of a go off camera, see what we can get, and I'll bring you the news when there's more news. But yeah, first start for the 268. Fingers crossed there's no other hidden issues, but it's 30-year-old saw. There probably will be. But yeah, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, hit the like, share with your friends. Keep your saw in the wood and your stick on the, you know, all that stuff. Take it steady, guys. See you again soon. She runs.